Mastering HTML tags, the key to web development success. Welcome to the world of HTML, the backbone of every web page you've ever visited. It all starts with HTML tags. Think of HTML tags as the building blocks of the web. Each one has a special role in structuring content. For example, the tag is used for main headings, making text stand out as the top-level headline on a page. Then there's the tag, essential for paragraphs. It helps in breaking down text into readable chunks for viewers. Let's not forget about the tag. It's what makes the web interconnected, allowing you to link to other web pages. Images bring life to the web. The tag does exactly that, embedding beautiful visuals directly into the page. Understanding HTML tags is just the beginning. They are the foundation of creating engaging and well-structured websites. Dive in and explore.